This is an Ocean Hills Country Club home that we're in escrow, and this is the St. Tropez one. And one of the defining features of the St. Tropez is this atrium that you see behind me. This home has been modified, so most St. Tropez has a solid wall here with just a small doorway into the kitchen. Somewhere in the chain of ownership, someone has remodeled this home and taken this whole wall down to open it up. And so they've done a fabulous job of making this space feel much different. So the St. Tropez model has this beautiful great room, which is your living room, your entry, also your dining room. But then there's 2 bedrooms. Before we get to the 2 bedrooms, you also have this very large, nice extra den area, which can be used as an office or a craft space. And we have the guest bedroom and the master. The master's a nice space, vaulted ceilings, really gives you a feeling of spaciousness. You can easily accommodate a king-size bed and nightstands on either side, and then a lovely bathroom as well. This has also been modified to have a walk-in shower. Most have a tub or a step-in shower. And from the master, you step out. This is your entry into the garage and your laundry room. And then there's a guest bathroom, or what I would call a public bathroom here. So the St. Tropez model is single-story living. There's no loft. It is all on one even floor. And it's 1,800 square feet, 1,800 to 1,807. And 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and attached 2-car garage.